Hey guys, welcome to Textures Tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to make Christmas stickers. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Since today we're diving into the world of arts and crafts, so we're gonna focus on creating amazing Christmas sticker images just like this one that are sold onto Etsy. So we're gonna explore onto how to do this. So just stick around and we'll guide you through the step-by-step process for that. And for us to be able to get started, we're gonna go ahead first and try to introduce the website that we're gonna use onto creating this, which is Canva. So we'll do a quick overview of this one if you're not familiar with this. So this is actually a web-based graphic design tool that is designed for creating various visual content with ease. So it has a user-friendly interface featuring a drag and drop functionality. Also, this is accessible to individuals without advanced skills, and it offers templates and design elements for crafting social media graphics, presentation, posters, and many more. So both professionals and beginners are using Canva to produce visually appealing content for diverse purposes. So it has been loved by millions of people around the globe. As you can see, it has 135 million plus monthly active users, 100 million plus content library, 15 billion design created, 100 plus languages, and 85% of the Fortune 500 use Canva. So as you can see, you could visualize your ideas with ease since you could always start inspired, effortlessly customize over 250,000 free templates for any need. Also, you could create with millions of free assets, so you could find everything you need to design in one place. And Canva has an extensive media library of free stock photos, videos, graphics, audio tracks, and many more. So you could design better together since you could collaborate with your friends and teammates so that you could create your own masterpiece, so that you could also add in comments, assign actions, or design together, which is all for free. And there are many more features in here that you could see. We have 1,000 free templates, drag and drop, edit your existing files, professional styles, print your design, stunning charts, share in a click, and many more. And also, we're already using the Canva free in here, but it has everything already needed. But for Pro, this will take you to the next level. So there are two plans here onto Canva. So you could do it for monthly and yearly. We're currently using the free in here, which is for anyone to design anything on their own or with family or friends or others, which is no experience needed. But we also have here Canva for Pro, which is for individuals, solopreneurs, and freelancers, designers who want unlimited access to premium content. So this is to create professional designs with ease and scale productivity. And here are its different prices and also the different inclusions or features that are included onto that specific plan. If you want to use that, you'll just have to click on to start in here to get started. So as you can see also in here, you could also bring your ideas to life already and get inspired by what others are also doing. So you could browse onto the different templates so that you could also go ahead and try to create something like that. And for us to be able to get started, you'll just need to log in or sign up for an account on Canva so that you'll get redirected here onto its dashboard. Now, so you can see, this is what Canva's dashboard would look like. So there are a lot of things that you could see in here. So for example, the search bar in here onto asking you what will you design today. So you could use 5+ words to describe your design in here so that Canva could set it up for you or offer you some templates for that. So you have the For You page in here, wherein you could also see what you might want to try on, such as documents, whiteboard, presentation, planner, documents, and worksheets. So as you could see that one in here as well. You could also click on to customize in here to go ahead and try to see a customized whiteboard for your editing, also upload button, and some of your recent design in here. Now heading here onto the left side are different features as well. Now you should be able to see in here, if you click onto this drop down, the themes that you have onto your Canva account. So you could go ahead and try to move onto each theme onto where you want to do the editing, since this is very helpful for collaboration or if you're working together with your team. So as you can see, we're already on the home section. We also have in here the Magic Studio, which is their feature. So I think this feature is new since this is an AI powered design tool, since it will bring together the best AI powered tools for you and your team right inside Canva. So these are a lot, since you have here Magic Write, Magic Content, Magic Media, and many more, all in one in just Magic Studio. Now, here onto projects, you should be able to see also the recent projects that I have onto my account. Also, you could add them by folder, you could filter them so that you could go ahead and try to work onto this one effortlessly. So we have your projects also in here. So you could browse that by categories, date, modified, and many more. And if you want to go ahead and try to create a team, we have that one in here. So you'll just have to click onto that and you could try it for 30 days. So that is for the free trial, and there are different also prices for that one if you want to proceed. Now, we could also see the templates in here onto the different templates that you could use onto your design. We also have here the brand. You could also see the apps in here. So this is where you could go ahead and try to connect some apps to be integrated with your Canva design to help you. So here are some of the trending apps in here that you might love. Also the new and noteworthy and the AI productivity design essentials, and you could share and publish and many more. Now also in here, we could see the create team again, and there is also a trash button so that you could go ahead and see the deleted files onto your account. Now here onto the upper part, you can see in here the design spotlight, businesses, education, plans and pricing, and learn. And also you can download the app in here, your settings, the notification, and the create a design. And for us to be able to get started, we'll utilize the search bar in here and try to search in here Christmas stickers. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do that, click onto enter so that we could go ahead and try to see the different things that are offered. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to do that. We're gonna use templates in here, click onto that, and we'll wait for its generation. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of templates that you could see in here. So we could go ahead and try to utilize this, and we could just go ahead and try to change some details in here so that we could make use onto the template. But we could always start from scratch as well so that we could go ahead and create our own design. So for us to be able to do so, we're gonna go ahead and click on to create a design in here, and we're gonna use a logo for that. So we'll just have to click onto that one, click onto logo, and then for us to be able to get started onto designing, we'll wait for the canvas in here. So the first step that we'll need to do is we're gonna go ahead and create a circle in here so that there would be something that our design is into it. So we're gonna click onto that. We're gonna go ahead and try to click or have search in your circle, and we're gonna go ahead and try to place it here onto the middle. So we can make it bigger like that. And also we could go ahead and try to change the color in here onto something Christmas, like for example, green or red. So we're gonna choose someone in here. And I think I kinda like this one. And then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to head onto elements in here, search for something like Christmas or anything that might be related to Christmas so that we could go ahead and try to add it in here onto our stickers. So we could also make this one a little small like that and put it onto the middle. And then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to add in some things in here. So I kind of like how this one turned out. We could add that one in here, and I think it's kind of looking like a sticker already. Now right after, we could add in some text as well in here so that it would have a design. So I'll add in use subheading in here, add in Merry Christmas, and then we could go ahead and also add in some design onto the text in here. So we could have this one like that, make it bigger, and then we could go ahead and try to adjust the font here. So we could just try to use onto the different fonts that it offers. For example, when I use this, you could also adjust the font size in here, and then we could also add in some effects onto the text in here, such as this curve in here. We're gonna adjust it like this so that we could fit it here onto the upper part of our design. We could move this one out and then go ahead and do it like that. So right after, you could add in more of the elements as well onto the different things in here, or you could just try to remove this so that it will not show that. So you could do that like that. You could add in more things as well so that you could go ahead and try to achieve the design that you want to see. So I kind of like how this one turned out already. We're gonna leave that like that. Also, we could add in some ornaments just like this in here, or you could also add in this green candy cane. So you could just try to do that. We could also flip this like that, and then we could try to have this one move backward onto our design. So So you can see, let's just send this to back, and it should look like that. So as you can see, we have our sticker logo design already. So right after, once you're already satisfied with your design, you'll just have to click on the share for that one, click on the download, and use PNG for the file type, click on the download again so that you could save it onto your device. And if you want to sell it, you could go ahead and use some platforms in there like Etsy to sell your design. And that's just basically it onto creating a Christmas sticker using Canva. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.